Fasten your seatbelts. We're about to embark on an incredible journey that will take us beyond the skies and into the vast expanse of space. Imagine soaring through the stars, visiting planets, and experiencing the wonders of our solar system up close. It's going to be an adventure like no other. Get ready for an adventure. Our rocket is prepped and ready to launch. The engines are roaring, the countdown has begun, and soon we'll be blasting off into the unknown. Feel the excitement as we leave Earth behind and head towards the stars. Today the magic treehouse is going to space. This isn't just any ordinary treehouse, it's a magical one that can take us anywhere we want to go. And today, it's taking us on a journey through the cosmos. Imagine floating in space surrounded by stars and planets. It's a dream come true. Miss Frizzle is our driver. She's the best. With her vast knowledge of space and her infectious enthusiasm, Miss Frizzle will guide us through the wonders of the universe. She knows all the best spots to visit and has fascinating stories to share about each planet. We're in for a treat. We're going on a trip through our solar system. Buckle up as we journey past planets, moons, and stars. Each stop will reveal something new and exciting about our cosmic neighborhood. From the blazing sun to the icy edges of the solar system, there's so much to explore. We'll see all 8 planets and the biggest star, the Sun. Our solar system is a fascinating place, with each planet offering its own unique characteristics and mysteries. From the scorching heat of Mercury to the frigid cold of Neptune, we'll experience it all. Our first stop is the Sun. It's super hot and bright. The Sun is the heart of our solar system, providing the energy that sustains life on Earth. We'll learn about its immense power, its role in the solar system, and why it's so important to us. Then, we'll zoom past Mercury, the fastest planet. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and has the shortest orbit, making it the speedster of the solar system. Despite its small size, it has a lot of interesting features, including extreme temperatures and a rocky surface. After that, we'll see Venus, a very hot planet. Venus is often called Earth's twin because of its similar size and composition, but it's a very different world. With its thick, toxic atmosphere and scorching surface temperatures, Venus is a planet of extremes. Next is Earth, our home planet. It's blue and green from space. Earth is the only planet known to support life, and from space, it looks like a beautiful blue marble. We'll take a moment to appreciate the beauty and diversity of our home planet, from its vast oceans to its lush forests. After Earth is Mars, the red planet. We might see robots there. Mars has always fascinated scientists and explorers with its red, dusty landscape and the possibility of past or present life. We'll learn about the rovers exploring its surface and the plans for future human missions. Then we'll fly by Jupiter, the biggest planet. It's huge. Jupiter is a gas giant with a massive size and powerful storms, including the famous Great Red Spot. Its many moons and complex atmosphere make it one of the most intriguing planets in our solar system. We'll also see Saturn with its beautiful rings. Saturn's rings are made of ice and rock, creating a stunning visual spectacle. We'll explore the mysteries of these rings and learn about Saturn's many moons, including Titan, which has its own atmosphere. Last but not least are the icy planets, Uranus and Neptune. They are far away and very cold. These distant giants are known for their unique blue colors and frigid temperatures. We'll discover what makes them so special and why they are important to our understanding of the solar system. Are you ready? Let's go! Our journey through the solar system is about to begin. With each planet we visit, we'll uncover new wonders and deepen our understanding of the universe. So fasten your seatbelts, hold on tight, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Here we are at the Sun, a giant ball of hot gas. It's so bright we have to wear special glasses. The Sun is like our very own star. The Sun gives us light and heat. Without the Sun, Earth would be very cold and dark. Plants need sunlight to grow, and we need plants to eat. The Sun is so big that over 1 million Earths could fit inside it. Wow, that's big! Next stop, Mercury. The smallest and innermost planet in our solar system, Mercury is a fascinating world full of surprises. This planet is closest to the Sun, making it a scorching hot place during the day. Temperatures can soar up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Mercury is a rocky planet with lots of craters. These craters are the result of countless collisions with asteroids and comets over billions of years. Craters are big holes made by space rocks. Some of these craters are enormous, spanning hundreds of miles across. Mercury is the fastest planet in our solar system. It zips around the sun at an incredible speed of about 29 miles per second. It zooms around the sun very quickly. In fact, it completes one full orbit in just 88 Earth days. One day on Mercury is only 59 Earth days long. This means that a single day on Mercury, from one sunrise to the next, lasts nearly 2 months. But a year on Mercury is only 88 Earth days long. This means that Mercury has a very short year compared to Earth. That means Mercury has the shortest year of all the planets. Imagine celebrating your birthday every 3 months if you lived on Mercury. It's a planet of extremes with its rapid orbit and long days. Despite its proximity to the Sun, Mercury has ice in some of its shadowed craters. These areas never see sunlight and remain extremely cold, preserving the ice. Mercury has a very thin atmosphere called an exosphere, which is made up of atoms blasted off its surface by the solar wind. This exosphere is so thin that it can't trap heat, leading to drastic temperature changes between day and night. Interestingly, Mercury also has a magnetic field, though it's much weaker than Earth's. This magnetic field interacts with the solar wind, creating a unique space environment around the planet. Scientists believe that Mercury has a large iron core, which makes up about 75% of the planet's diameter. This core is responsible for its magnetic field and contributes to its high density. Over the years, several spacecraft have visited Mercury, including NASA's MESSENGER mission, which provided us with detailed images and data about this speedy little planet. So, as we leave Mercury behind, we marvel at its unique characteristics and prepare to explore the next fascinating world in our solar system. Stay tuned for more cosmic adventures. Venus is our next stop. Often referred to as Earth's twin, Venus is a fascinating planet that has captured the imagination of scientists and space enthusiasts alike. But don't be fooled by the nickname. Venus is a world of extremes and contrasts. It's the hottest planet in our solar system. With surface temperatures soaring to around 900 degrees Fahrenheit, Venus is even hotter than Mercury, the planet closest to the Sun. This intense heat is due to a runaway greenhouse effect, where the thick atmosphere traps heat in a way that makes Venus an inferno. Venus is covered in thick clouds that trap heat. These clouds are made up of sulfuric acid, making the atmosphere not only hot, but also highly toxic. The dense cloud cover reflects sunlight, giving Venus its bright yellowish appearance when viewed from space. Venus is sometimes called Earth's twin because it's almost the same size. Both planets have similar diameters and are composed of similar materials. However, the similarities largely end there. But Venus is very different from Earth. While Earth is teeming with life and has a climate that supports a diverse range of ecosystems, Venus is a hostile environment. Its surface is dotted with volcanoes, vast plains, and mountain ranges, but no liquid water can be found. It's way too hot for us to live there. The extreme temperatures and toxic atmosphere make it impossible for human life to survive on Venus. Any spacecraft that lands on Venus can only operate for a short time before succumbing to the harsh conditions. Venus spins backward compared to most other planets. This retrograde rotation means that Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most planets in our solar system, including Earth. That means the sun rises in the west and sets in the east on Venus. How strange is that? This unusual rotation pattern adds to the planet's mystique and makes it a subject of ongoing scientific study. Despite its harsh conditions, Venus continues to intrigue us, offering clues about the dynamics of planetary atmospheres and the potential for extreme environments elsewhere in the universe. Section 5, Earth, our home sweet home. Look, it's Earth, our beautiful blue and green planet. From space we can see the oceans and continents. We can even see clouds. Earth is the only planet we know of that has life. We have air to breathe, water to drink, and perfect temperatures for life. Let's take a moment to appreciate our amazing planet. We need to take care of Earth and keep it clean. Section 6, Mars, the red planet. Next up is Mars, the red planet. Mars is known for its red, dusty surface. The dust is made of iron oxide, which is kind of like rust. Scientists have sent robots to Mars to explore. They are looking for signs of life, past or present. Mars has ice at its poles, just like Earth. One day, humans might even travel to Mars. Wouldn't that be an amazing adventure? Section 7. Jupiter, the giant king. Get ready, because here comes Jupiter, the colossal giant. It's the biggest planet in our solar system, a massive gas giant. Jupiter is so big that you could fit 1,300 Earths inside it, easily. Jupiter has a giant red spot, a fascinating feature. It's a storm that has been raging for hundreds of years, never stopping. Jupiter also has faint rings, but they are not as bright or colorful as Saturn's famous rings. Section 8. Saturn, the ringleader. Next stop, Saturn. This planet is famous for its beautiful rings. The rings are made of ice and rock. They look solid, but they're actually made of billions of tiny pieces. Saturn is a gas giant, just like Jupiter. It's also the least dense planet in our solar system. That means it's very light for its size. It could float in water if we had a bathtub big enough. Section 9. Uranus, the sideways planet. Now we're getting to the outer solar system. Our next stop is Uranus, the ice giant. Uranus is very cold and far away. It's tilted on its side so it spins like a rolling ball. Uranus is blue-green because of the methane gas in its atmosphere. Methane absorbs red light from the sun, giving Uranus its unique color. Section 10. Neptune, the windy wonder. Last stop, Neptune. This blue planet is the farthest from the sun. It's also the windiest planet in our solar system. Neptune has a great dark spot, similar to Jupiter's great red spot. It's a giant storm with incredibly strong winds. Neptune is very, very cold because it's so far from the sun. It takes Neptune 165 Earth years to orbit the sun once. Section 11. Space is super cool. Wow, what an amazing trip. We learned so much about our solar system. We saw the sun, our very own star, and all 8 planets. We traveled from hot Mercury to freezing Neptune. We saw giant planets and rocky planets. Space is full of wonders. Who knows what else is out there waiting to be discovered? Maybe one day you'll go on your own space adventure.